Now we know the threat. We have seen our fortune dwindle under the pressure of the quiet killer. But knowledge without action is meaningless. We can't stand still any longer. It's time to take action. Trying to keep capital and cash under the mattress or in a regular bank account today is not prudence. It is slow, voluntary suicide for your financial future. You are personally handing your savings over to the monster of inflation. Many panic when they see markets collapsing, and this leads to fatal mistakes. But inaction guarantees your defeat. Welcome to the world of wealth protectors, to the world of those who have stopped being victims of the system and have begun to control it. The problem is too serious to rely on luck. We need reliable, time-tested tools. We start with a conservative arsenal, federal loan bonds, or T-bonds. When you buy them, you become a creditor of the state. This is a low-risk investment, and most importantly, it provides a predictable, guaranteed cash flow. Coupons. They work for you 24/7. While the stock market is turbulent and company stocks are falling, you continue to receive your income on a regular basis. Then there are the real assets: concrete, earth, realty. These are physical objects that have intrinsic value. And of course, hard assets: gold. For millennia, it has served as the last shield against crises, wars, and currency collapses. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You've heard this rule 1,000 times, but 90% of people continue to ignore it. True diversification is your armor. We're not looking for a magic bullet that will bring in millions overnight. We're building a portfolio where the risk of one asset is offset by the return of another. The distribution of shares is more important than choosing a specific stock. This is not a lottery. This is math and calculation. When the market crashes sharply and everyone around loses money, a properly built financial fortress remains standing. Emotional immunity. This is the investor's main asset, a clear strategy that allows you to sleep soundly even in the darkest financial times. But the real magic in the financial universe doesn't begin at the moment you buy an asset. It begins when you allow time to do its job. Compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's a mechanism where your income begins to generate new income. Reinvestment. Don't spend the harvest too early. Never take dividends and coupons for personal needs in the first years. Reinvest. And over time, you will notice a turning point. Your money will finally start working more efficiently, faster, and harder than you ever could have imagined. Assets are the only path to true financial freedom. The transformation is complete. Look around. You are no longer a defenseless victim of a system that takes everything from you. You are the protector of your wealth. In this game, the winner is not the luckiest, but the most disciplined. Discipline, strategy, and cold calculation can win any financial game. We live in an era of unprecedented opportunities. The tools for building your fortress are already in your hands. Stop being a pawn of circumstances. Stop watching others get rich. Become a player. Subscribe. We will continue to analyze the mechanisms that are being hidden from us. Let's defend our wealth together.